Ang pagkakaroon ng positive financial vision of the future is very important, and it gives us the motivation para pumaabot natin yung success in life, and syempre para magkaroon ng pagbabago din sa ating financial life. Kung gusto mong magbago ang financial life, maybe this video is for you. Allow me to define to you what is vision from Google. Vision is the act of anticipating what will or may come to be or what will happen. It is the ability to see the invisible and make it visible. It is the ability to see the future before it happens. Bago pa mangyari, na-visualize mo na kung anong mangyayari. Kaya mostly po na entrepreneurs or businessman, they are usually visionary. Yung nakikita nila kung ano pa yung pwedeng makatulong sa atin. Kaya nga po nagkaroon ng mga ganitong social media or mga technologies para po maging easier ang ating pamumuhay. Diba dati yung farmer is turo lang kalabaw yung pag-aararo nila, but today is meron na pong machine na ginagamit. So for example lang po may buyer bought a land. Kung titingnan po kasi natin ngayon yung lot is pangit po siya. Walang development, hindi pa po sementado yung kalsada. Kung for me is, ang tingin ko is pangit. Yung buyer po is, na-visualize niya na kung anong gagawin niya sa lot. Ang sabi niya po is, papatayuan niya po ng boarding house. So, namangha ako. Kasi paano papatayuan ng boarding house, ganun mismo yung lote. Meron pang malaking bato. Diba? Imposible. Ganyan po ka-importante ang vision talaga. Ano ba ang maidudulot ng pagkakaroon ng vision po sa ating buhay? Number 1, ang vision po is nagbibigay ng direction sa atin. Example lang po kung ganyan ka ngayon and wala kang vision, wala po talagang mangyayari. Wala kang aasahan na pagbabago after 5 years. Pero if you have vision in life, ganito yan. Kung meron kang vision at nakikita mo yung sarili mo after 5 years magiging ganito ka, after 5 years ganito dapat meron ka, after 5 years nakapag-acquire ka ng ganitong lote, or after 5 years, di ba? It gives us the ability to where we are going. Number 2, vision gives us the passion. It gives us the determination to keep going. Number 3, vision gives us the purpose. If we have purpose, meron tayong meaning. We are not only alive, but we truly have life. Number 4, vision, it gives us the power to make that dream into reality. Kung wala ka pa pong vision in life, magkaroon ka na. Kasi kung wala ka po talaga, wala kang patutunguhan. And at least kung meron kang vision, syempre, yan po ang magbibigay sa'yo ng determination para magkatotoo yung gusto mo sa buhay, yung success or yung target mo in life. Sabi natin nung last video is, our target is to save 50,000 at the end of the year 2025. How are you going to do that without vision? So, let's give importance in having a vision in our life. So, yan lang po ang ating video. I hope nakatulong ang ating video. If nakatulong, please do like and subscribe. Once again, this is Ibingat Grace saying sharing is caring. Bye. See you.